Ever wondered how to make the perfect homemade pumpkin spice latte? It's simpler than you might think and can add a delightful touch of autumn to your mornings or afternoons. The ingredients you'll need are 2 cups of your preferred milk. This could be dairy, almond, or oat. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of sugar, or, adjust to your taste, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have pumpkin pie spice, you can simply mix together cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. For the coffee component, you'll need half a cup of strong brewed coffee or 1 to 2 shots of espresso. Optional, but highly recommended for an indulgent touch, is whipped cream for topping. Begin by heating the milk and pumpkin. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the milk, pumpkin puree, and sugar. Heat this mixture until it's hot, but not boiling. Make sure to stir frequently to avoid any scorching. Now it's time to mix in the spices. Add the pumpkin pie spice and vanilla extract to your heated milk and pumpkin mixture, stirring well to combine these aromatic ingredients. For those who prefer a frothier latte, here's an optional step: blend the milk mixture. You can use an immersion blender or whisk vigorously to froth the milk mixture for about 30 seconds. While you're heating and frothing your milk mixture, it's the perfect time to brew your coffee. Whether you prefer a strong brewed coffee or a rich shot of espresso, the choice is yours. Once your coffee is ready, it's time to bring it all together. Pour the brewed coffee into a mug, then add the hot pumpkin milk mixture. The warmth of the coffee and milk mixture combined with the sweet and spicy pumpkin creates a comforting, delicious beverage. For a final touch of decadence, top your homemade pumpkin spice latte with whipped cream. If you like, add a sprinkle of extra pumpkin spice on top of the whipped cream for a festive decoration. There you have it, a perfect homemade pumpkin spice latte that will warm your soul and delight your taste buds. It's a simple pleasure you can enjoy anytime, right in the comfort of your own home. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.